Hello guys, in this video we are going to create a word cloud in Mentimeter. So how to create a word cloud? So you will have to select the plus new slide button right here and then select word cloud. So you enter the question by clicking the header right here. So you place your question right there, you can label it and you can even add additional details if you want to. And that's how you will fill the word cloud by putting their input by joining your presentation. Basically, if you're in a class. So you can change how many responses each participant can submit. So to customize this option, you will have to go to number of responses. If you only want 10, it could be 10 only. So that will depend on you. You go to the edit tab, edit the number of responses, and then it will only input how much you place in there. So you can also put unwanted entries with profanity filter, edit, and then you will have to use the profanity filter if you want to right here. So you will have to actually go to your settings icon, language preferences, and then when you go there you will have to select English only and then press done. It will manually remove unwanted entries also if you want to. So basically there, that's how you actually do it. So that is how you create a word cloud. This is already given by them itself, Mentimeter. So there you go. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.